Are you an online service provider looking for an easy and accessible way to put your business in order? Do you wish there was a way to streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, and spend the time doing what you love more? In this video, I'm going to let you in on how you can use Asana to not only survive, but thrive as a service provider. Whether you're a freelancer, a virtual assistant, a social media manager, an online business manager, or any other kind of online service provider, this is a video you don't want to miss. Hi, my name is Samantha. I'm an online business manager and Asana systems specialist. If you are new around here and you like what you see, be sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss another helpful video helping you save time and mental energy in your online business. In my business, I help other online business owners set up and optimize the free version of Asana in their businesses. If you'd like to learn more about my services, you can head to the description box below and all the links you need are there. All right, let's get into it. Before we get started, let me know, what services do you provide to your clients? Put it in the comments so I can see who I'm talking to, and that can help me create future videos that are helpful for you. All right, so I will never get tired of talking about how fundamental Asana has been for the organization and management of my business. So I'm going to tell you about 5 ways that you can use Asana in your online service provider business and make sure that you never miss important information or deadlines or let anything slip through the cracks. So the first way that you can use Asana as an online service provider is for client management, a very important piece. So having a tool like Asana is fundamental when working with several different clients. You can create separate projects for each client to keep all of their information, to keep your tasks that you need to do, and make sure that none of your client work slips through the cracks. Make sure that you are managing them efficiently and not missing any important deadlines or to-dos. The next way that you can use Asana in your online service provider business is for a content calendar. And I'm not talking just a content calendar either. I'm talking you can organize your ideas, you can organize your posts, you can have templates in there, you can manage any reposting, you can manage the repurposing, and you can color code, and you can do everything you need to do for that content calendar to make it just run so seamlessly. So if you create a separate team or project in Asana, like I do, you can use this to organize all of your content in one place. You can easily brainstorm all of your ideas. You can see all of the content that you have scheduled out in a clear calendar, and you can see how far it is in the workflow and see what all needs to be done next. All right, so the next way that you can use Asana as an online service provider is for planning future projects. So as an online service provider, I know you know, we don't always want to be trading time for money. So it's important to have those side projects as well, those digital products that we can sell alongside our service-based business. So launching and creating new products is time consuming and has a lot of moving parts, right? So Asana helps you keep everything on track for that. It helps it keep it less overwhelming and make sure that you're not confused with what to do next or what all you have to do. The next way you can use Asana as an online service provider is for tracking leads. You can have them separated into different sections. You can take notes on them and see, what's working, what's not working, come back and revisit it anytime because it's all stored in Asana in a nice, concise, organized way. Setting up a system that easily keeps track of all the information and setting up those follow-ups is key. And the next way you can use Asana as an online service provider is for tracking your goals. So even though you don't have access to the actual goal section of Asana in the free version, if you're using the free version like myself, you can still keep track of your goals in another way. There are several ways to do this. What I love to do is to create a project that is laid out by a month for every year, and then I go through and set out my goals for, you can do it quarterly, you can do it monthly, however, or annually, however, whatever works for you, but you can set out those goals and then you can easily move them to the next month if they need to be. You can move them around, you can set different due dates, you can add them to other projects right from within that goals project. That's what works really well for me. You can find your own way of doing it, but just know that Asana is there for you to keep track of your goals in the best way that works for you. All right, so these are great starting points for you, but if you want even more ideas of how to organize your Asana account and you want to see how I personally organize my business in Asana as an online business manager and Asana systems specialist, then you're going to want to check out this video showing on your screen right now to watch everything that I organize in Asana. Okay, I hope this video was so helpful for you. I will see you again next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.